Have you ever been wondering why you can't send crypto? Well, there are several reasons why you might not be able to send cryptocurrency from your Luno account, and I am here to fix it for you. Here's a breakdown of the most common issues. The most common reason is insufficient funds. Ensure you have enough of this specific cryptocurrency in your Luno account, in your Luno wallet, to cover the amount you want to send, plus any transaction fee. And you need to double check the recipient's wallet address. Even a single incorrect character can result in lost funds. Ensure you're sending the correct cryptocurrency to the corresponding wallet address, that is, sending Bitcoin to a Bitcoin wallet. Also, you need to check your network. Cryptocurrency network can experience congestion, which can delay or prevent transactions. If this is the case, you may need to wait for the network to clear. And also, Luno, like most regulated exchanges, require identity verification, that is KYC. If your account is not fully verified, you may have restrictions on sending crypto. Luno may have security measures in place that prevent sending crypto under certain circumstances, such as recent password changes, suspicious activity on your account, or a new device login. Now, if you have 2FA enabled, ensure you're entering the correct code. Luno may have placed restrictions on your account for various reasons, such as violating their terms of services, legal or regulatory requirements. Occasionally, Luno may perform maintenance on their wallet, which may temporarily disable sending crypto. And Luno might enforce minimum withdrawal amounts. Depending on your location, there might be restrictions on sending certain cryptocurrencies. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.